7 things alone time does which are really cool. By now you've heard how alone time is good for you. I bet you expect this sentence to be followed by suggestions on how to make the most of your alone time. But have you ever considered the why of things? Let's stop a moment and discover just what it is about alone time which makes it so cool. You're nicer to be around. If you doubt this one, think about what you're like when you haven't had alone time for a while. When you spend too much time in the thick of things, it's easy to become kind of unpleasant to be around. But after you've taken time for yourself, you're generally calmer and relaxed. This shows in the interactions with the people in your life. It's no wonder they love it when you take time for yourself. You raise your IQ. Want to get smarter? Take some alone time with a good book or two, or better yet, in taking a class or otherwise working to better yourself. Now you're not only more relaxed, but you're also smarter too. Your body will thank you. Alone time is great for your mental health just because you're giving your brain a break. But if you're using your alone time to exercise, you really start supercharging the effect. There's nothing like optimizing your health when making the most of your alone time. Your brain works better. Losing focus? Alone time allows you to get back on track again. Alone time weeds out the distractions and allows you to think through things properly. You discover you at your creative best. If you think focus is the only brain benefit to alone time, you're mistaken. A relaxed mind will continue to work through problems long after you consciously gave up on them. What this means is you're going to come up with some of those really great moments where everything clicks and comes together with startling clarity. You regain energy. This effect is especially noticeable if you've been tired and dragging for a while. Alone time relaxes your body as well as your mind. This is especially true if you've spent some time pampering yourself, and yes, even napping. Now you're ready to take on the world again. Go you! You're happier. Let's face it, the best part of alone time is you just got to spend time with the best person ever. You. You got to do some fun stuff, which you especially like to do. You're relaxed and ready to go and thinking clearly. Yep, sounds like optimal conditions for happiness.